Hello everybody, welcome back to Sam's Diecast, your infrared boxings, reviews, and collecting of diecast cars. Today we're going to be unboxing a absolutely amazing 2021 Hot Wheels. I finally got my hands on the Cybertruck, the Tesla Cybertruck, and I would have bought more, but we were kind of in a rush, and I found the shippers at Shaw's at the last second, so I picked two of them up, one to open, one to keep. And I'm probably not going to go there for a long time. My mom's like, you can't, you're buying too many cars. Like, I collect them. It's my hobby. Like, heck. Don't make fun of me for my hobby. Hot Wheels Grade Speed number 3 of 5 and 177 of 250 for 2021. Like I said, wish I got more of these. But I left some for other people. GTB 22 is the number. And this is on an international card since it is from a Shaw's. And it is a new for 2021 casting, but this is extremely popular. I finally got my hands on one. See how this looks. It's a really crazy vehicle. Got the blacked out wheels. Very cool. And those are Offroad 6-spoke wheels, and the new 2022 version is going to come out with blower wheels, which are, forgot what it stands for, but it's another off-road wheel that I like better than these. But these wheels actually look pretty sick on this new Tesla Cybertruck. You can see that interior design. Kind of hard to see with that window, but this is an unpainted finish. They did not paint this vehicle. It is zinc-coated ZAMAC. And there's the tonneau cover. I don't know how to pronounce that, but sweet. Front end, we got painted headlights. It's kind of hard to see that. But we got the painted headlights. Nice off-road wheels that spun very well. So it'd be a great addition to my collection. It's just a really popular casting. And finally found it on the shipper. There's the back of the truck. Plastic base, made in Malaysia with a 2020 copyright, and they also made an ID version this year, which I haven't seen yet, but that would be really cool if I saw that. I'd definitely buy it. Probably wouldn't cost too much. Wheels spun very well on this. Thanks so much for tuning in, everyone, watching me unbox this. Kind of sad I didn't get a clean open on it. Need to find out something. Thanks for tuning in, and I really appreciate you viewing this video. Please subscribe to the channel for more, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.